This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Sign into your Google account and open Analytics. Google.com. Once signed in, click Admin and choose Create Property to start a GA4 property. Make sure to name the property clearly for the site and set the reporting time zone and currency. This affects all reports. Next, select Web as the data stream and enter your site URL. Once done, grab the measurement ID shown on screen so you can install tracking. This gets you into the setup flow immediately. Now install the tracking snippet. If you use JS, paste the script with your measurement ID into the site header before the closing head tag. If you use Google Tag Manager, create a GA4 configuration tag with the ID and publish the container. For CMS platforms, use the built-in Analytics field or a plugin and input the measurement ID. This avoids manual edits. After installation, open real-time in Analytics to confirm events appear. If nothing shows, clear caches and wait a few minutes. Finish by configuring events and conversions. Mark critical events as conversions so they appear in reports, and link Google Ads if you run campaigns. Then create a simple reporting view or audience to test filters and exclude internal traffic by IP. Once configured, monitor real-time and debug view to ensure hits arrive with correct parameters. If you don't see data, use Tag Assistant to check tag firing, confirm the measurement ID matches, and disable caching or CDN temporarily to rule out deployment delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.